Okay, we got a 9-inch Ford here with a leaky pinion gasket, pinion seal. So we're going to pull this yoke off, change that seal out, show you how to do that. First things first, you're taking the drive line off. Okay, so the size of this nut is a 1 1/16, and again we're working on a 9-inch Ford here. As you can see, it's loosened up quite a bit. Now if you're lucky, you can get this yoke to come right off. If not, you need a puller device to actually pull that yoke off. So this one looks like it's coming right off. So, and I'm not really sure if it matters or not, but I'm going to mark the location. Of this yoke. Okay, so there's our pinion, and then here's our pinion seal. So I'm just using the skinniest flathead screwdriver I can find because I try not to damage this housing area. Smallest one I can find, and just tap it out. Once you kind of develop a lip, you can get on it from a different angle. Almost there. It's a good opportunity right here to kind of get a feel for this pinion bearing. Feels pretty good on this car, so I think we are okay. Just so you know, when I'm putting this back on, the line goes on one way. And you tighten this back up. Just do little bits at a time, you know, crisscross all over the place, and get it to go back on nice and easily. You don't want to cut that new. Okay, the proper torque on these bolts is 30 to 35. Usually I like to go in the middle, something like 33. Put a little fresh gear oil on this. If you don't have the special seal installer, it is okay. You can just kind of lightly go around it and keep going around until it just presses in nice and easy using a regular hammer. You don't need to hit it hard because that will kind of mangle it. So just lightly tap it all the way around and you're going to be just fine.